Welcome to Civil Explorer. Today's topic, Smart Construction Technologies. Smart construction technologies leverage AR, IoT, robotics, and automation to enhance project efficiency. Drones and 3D scanning improve site inspections, while AI-driven predictive analytics reduce risks. IoT-based sensors monitor real-time equipment performance, worker safety, and environmental conditions. Autonomous machinery and exoskeletons boost productivity in heavy lifting and repetitive tasks. Smart construction also integrates cloud-based project management systems, enabling real-time data sharing among stakeholders. These technologies minimize errors, reduce costs, and accelerate project timelines, leading to sustainable and high-quality construction. Like, comment, and subscribe for more informative videos.